Understanding DMs, your guide to direct messaging. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very common term you'll encounter online: DM or direct message. It's a phrase you'll see across social media platforms, and understanding it can help you navigate the digital world more effectively. Let's break it down together. DM stands for direct message. It's a way of sending a private message directly to another user on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and more. Unlike public comments or posts, a DM is only visible to you and the person you're sending it to. It's the digital equivalent of having a private conversation in a room where only you and the other person can hear what's being said. To send a DM, you typically need to go to the profile of the person you want to message and look for a message button or icon. Clicking on this will open a private chat window where you can type and send your message. You can also receive DMs from others, which you can find in a dedicated inbox or message section on the platform you're using. Just like in real-life conversations, there are certain unspoken rules or etiquette when it comes to DMs. Always be respectful and considerate of the other person's privacy and boundaries. It's also good practice to not send unsolicited messages to strangers without a clear reason or context, as this can be perceived as intrusive. DMs aren't just for casual conversations, they're also used in professional contexts. For example, you might DM someone on LinkedIn to inquire about job opportunities or to network. In such cases, make sure your message is polite, well-written, and to the point. Professional DMs should always start with a brief introduction about yourself and the reason for your message. We hope this video helps you understand the world of direct messages better. DMs are a powerful tool for private communication online, whether for personal or professional use. Just remember to use them wisely and respectfully. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video.